Anything that has to do with women, all these city girls, you have to avoid them all. You have to. Because they're a bunch of distractions. Once you are focused, you know what you are doing. At the end of the day, they will be the one flocking around you like sheep.
My brother, you don't need to tell me I'm not a kid. Okay, I've already recorded that in my memory. It's in my mind already, long before now.
Though,
what was more can?
I'm engineer. There are some of them that are of good category.
You know one thing you don't understand. It's easy to do things with all those girls in the village than the ones in the city. It's very easy to mingle with girls in the village. The ones in the city, they're very expensive.
Oh,
you understand?
Oh.
They're very, very expensive. Oh. I can't even do anything with them easily like that. My name Magon sitting based on city as no AG go so. Which am the one? You know, poverty has actually made people, you know, when you're in the midst of people and you say something right, it looks as if you're talking rubbish. Nobody regards you anymore because you're poor. You understand?
Well, you see no money. Oh, we go can you go marriage age boys kele. Huh?
My brother, see one thing here. You see that city that I'm going to? I must make money in the city. Nothing will make me not to make money in the city.
That's why you're going.
Me coming back to this village, I'm coming back with money. I'm not coming back here empty-handed. Or do possible. Instead of me coming back to this village empty-handed, rather I'll use myself for money rituals.
What did you say?
Mama, ask him. Mama, ask him that nothing will make me come back to this village empty-handed. Rather, I'll use myself for money rituals. I'll go.
Michael, it will not work.
It's very easy. I will go there, they will show me mirror, give me a knife. Then Mama will subu and no be
Michael, it will not work. God forbid.
So allow me to use myself now.
You cannot use yourself. Michael, use yourself on me. It will not work. Heaven will not allow it. What
I'm saying is that I must make money. But if I did not make that money, rather I will use myself for money rituals.
Michael, you can use yourself for man work. It will not work. That is what I'm telling you. For coming back with money, you will come back with money. God will make a way.
Amen. Let me go out.
Stand up, go and prepare. Time is going. Now, you know, here now, you're easy after for money ritual. Can you hear yourself?
I'm coming.
I must make money. Don't tell me that you
don't advise me. I must make money.
I was even thinking you are joking.
On the one boy.
Tell me you want me to use you. God forbid.
I want me to use that. Can you use you? I shall allow me to use myself for the money ritual.
Okay, now tell me. You will say who enjoy the money?
Is it your money? Is it your ritual?
But don't tell me that kind of thing next time.
I must make money. I must make money.
Come inside now. What are you doing here?
Please come out. I've been waiting for you all this while.
Okay, don't worry now. I went to get something for myself in the market.
See, I just discovered that you don't love me. So, this relationship, it's over.
Otto, no, now don't do this now. Eh? You know I love you with all my heart. You said within your heart, you know I love you. You know I've spent so much on you this past month now. Eh? Otto, okay, I'm ready to do anything for you. I'm ready to do anything for you to show you that I love you. Eh?
If you want me to believe that you love me, give me that phone and you'll get both for you.
Otto, what do you want my Oga to talk about me? My Oga won't be happy with me if he hears that I gave a girl this phone.
So, I am now just a girl. I am not just a girl. Moreover, how will you know? If you don't give me that phone, don't ever in your miserable life call my number. I can't believe I've been wasting my time all these years with you. Little did I know that you never loved me.
Otto, yeah, come. Otto, come now. Oh, yeah, take. Take.
This is what you should have done all this time. It's okay. Don't worry, I'll see you tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Be a good boy. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh, like my girl. Okay. The other people, they come here, they thief us. Gate man them on our neighbors, they waka. No, I play by break. What I go talk for? Go believe me. Okay, I dey inside keke. I sit down for keke, the phone fall out. Ingo believe that one. Hi. Fuck on up. I fuck on up. I don't fuck up.
My daughter, remember all that I've told you. I don't want stories. Don't follow men like Ogolo the drunkard, the village drunkard. Follow men like Dangote, E-money. See, if it is good for you, it will be good for us. Otago, Bikon, don't put us to shame.
Time is of essence. My daughter, when you get to the city, be very, very careful. Shine your eyes. Be obedient to your auntie. Just be obedient so that you make us proud. You know what I mean? I want to hear result.
I've heard you, Papa. May God lead you safely to your destination in Jesus' name. Amen, Mama.
Don't forget to call us.
Papa, we will not forget. I'll call you people. Meanwhile, I need to leave right now. You know I've not been to Asaba before. I wouldn't want to get there at night.
Oh, you are right,
Alright.
Junior, lead her to the park.
Where's my box?
It's inside.
Okay. Alright, Mama.
Sister, I'm going to miss you. Please make sure you take good care of yourself.
And I'll miss you too.
Okay,
Papa, let me go.
Bye. Thank God she accepted to go.
It's okay. I'm ready. Just want you to go back. Are you agreeing with me? Leave my bag! What is wrong with you? Are you mad? You're not mad. Please.
She has no choice.
What is it, Papa?
She asked me to go back.
What is wrong?
I don't know.
Let it not be that this girl has decided to drop over at that boy's house. I can't take it.
I don't think she will do that.
Yes.
But, Junior, just run to Mike's house. If you reach there, hide at a corner and peep. As soon as you see her, don't forget to call us. Immediately, don't waste time. Call us.
Okay.
Hope you're with your phone.
But I don't have call card.
You want me to give you money? You don't have card.
beg, give me granuts.
How much?
How much do they sell? 50 naira.
Okay.
You sure say na fresh one?
Now fresh one, I eat and come back now.
Alright.
Thank you.
Well done.
Bye-bye. Greet your people for me, oh.
I will. Thank you, ma.
Greet them for me, oh.
Okay, beg, no beg. As a papa,
Yes.
this is 1,000.
1,000.
And a 500. Huh? So you know, say you go carry it before you don't they give me stress. So you're not.
Mama, she's not there.
Are you sure?
Yes, the door is even locked.
Did you check very well?
Yes, Mama, the door is even locked.
I think from here to Asaba is 4 hours. No? Good. Once it is 4 hours on the dot, call your sister.
Mama, call her now.
I've already called her and told her that she has left, so she will be waiting for her.
Okay, if that's the case, there's no problem then. Let's just wait for 4 hours. Then we can call her.
There's no problem, we'll wait. The good Lord will lead you safely.
Amen.
God will take you to the city.
Amen.
He will keep you and protect you.
Amen.
In fact, you are going to the city to come back as a big man. Bring plenty money, plenty good things for me. Whatsoever you put your hands to do, you will prosper.
Amen.
These hands will not know ritual. You will prosper.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Don't forget to let me know when you get to the city. Safe journey, God, I thank you.
Owen. What happened to your phone? I've been calling you. You didn't pick calls, and the next thing you switched the phone off. Why didn't you charge your phone?
I forgot it inside Keke. Forgot it in the Keke.
You forgot your phone inside Keke?
Yes, sir.
So, have you gotten it back? Huh?
Yeah.
Friend, just go. Just go. Please.
Liar! Bloody liar! Brother, this idiot never lost his phone. He dashed his phone to one imbecile of a girl.
What? Wait. Is it true? You gave the phone I bought for you to a woman. Are you that stupid?
Brother, the phone you nearly sparked me off because of this idiot.
Wait, why didn't you tell me you don't need the phone? Instead of collecting it from me, then give it out to a woman. Are you mad? Have you lost it? If you don't talk now, I will strangle you. Are you mad?
Sorry, sir. It wasn't intentional, please. It wasn't intentional for you to dash the phone to that idiot. Yeah?
And he lied to me. Why would you lie to me?
Brother, permit me to teach this idiot how to answer questions. Sir, I don't have any reason, but she doesn't have a phone. I now say, let me give it to her.
Can you listen to your stupid self? She said she doesn't have a phone. So you gave her the phone. Now you don't have a phone.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you know the reason I bought that phone for you? I didn't only buy that phone as a gift. I bought it for you as a means of communicating with you anytime I want to. And you want to give it out.
Sorry, sir. I'll do my best to get the phone back. Please, I'm sorry.
Brother, why not sack this boy? Let him try elsewhere. Eh?
No.
And I asked you, you lied to me.
Sorry.
Why would you tell me you forgot the phone in the keke? Then get out. Okay.
Is this not enough reason for you to sack this boy?
You should just shut up first. Just don't be another muggle. And I'm thinking. I just hate lies.
Me too.
Just be careful, eh?
Yes, brother.
See that shop? Take care of that shop very well. Okay. Anybody behind to me and they gonna credit, don't sell on credit.
Yes, brother.
Yeah? Make sure you collect your money.
So what?
Don't let anybody to tell you tomorrow I'll give you money. Please, I'll give you money tomorrow. Don't allow it.
Yes, brother.
Because if we continue doing like that, we cannot make anything out of that shop. You know, it's not a laughing matter. Eh? Be careful. It's not a laughing matter. When I end up working, just because you won't laugh with you. I laugh working there, then you laugh him and eh? So be very careful and very vigilant. Watch that shop, take care of it. Eh?
But you'll be calling us. So.
Of course now. Of course I'll be calling you from time to time. Yeah? Just take care. Eh? But let me start going, eh?
But also you are leaving us to the city.
No, I'm not going there to stay forever. Stop crying, When I get there, I'll call you. Very soon you see me. Okay? It's okay. Let me start going, right? Stop crying now. I'll soon come back, Take off our shop, Yes? Yeah, let's go.
Mama, your phone is ringing.
It's my sister. Hello, Nick. Hey, good evening. How are you people? Oh, thank God. Thank God she has arrived. We are fine. Yes, he is here. Gina is here too. Okay, let me give to him. She wants to talk to you.
Hello. Good evening. How are you? We thank God she arrived safely. So how is your business? We thank God. Okay.
Auntie,
I'm fine. How about you? I'm a good boy. See, Auntie, I would like to come and stay with you. I would love to come to Asaba and stay with you. I want to stay with you and eat good food. You take me to nice places.
Give me. You finish her credit for her. Wait, you finish her credit. Don't mind him. It's okay, just save your credit. Don't worry. He wants to finish your credit. Yes. Okay. One card.
Mama, see, I don't like what you're doing. No. I don't like it. Why will you collect the phone like that from me?
Come on, will you shut up?
Oh, you are not eating good food. Is it not what you are saying?
I wanted to talk to my sister. You now went and
get out!
How she ever go?
I said some big greetings.
Hey, this boy.
Not that. Seriously. I don't believe say the guy go, come to me like that. I thought it was going to be like a, heart-to-heart conversation. So I didn't know it was going to be like that.
Bro, I'm so happy that you've gotten over that idiot, Linda. Come on. She was stressing you a lot, man.
Yeah, sure.
I trust my brother, he's very strong.
Well, it wasn't easy, I won't lie. Because now when you get heartbreak, you go understand. Some kind songs, you wonder if the songs they related to you. You want to but it wasn't easy. But my brother and my gate man played a very vital role. That my gate man a pure cruise. Like grown up we get beer, some kind of attitude. I go the one that say this guy, you normal. But recently, the guy did something stupid. Okay, I bought a phone. He did the same cruise where they make me car. So I like that. I said okay, I was gonna reward you. Okay, so I got him a phone. You know what the guy did? He carried the phone. Go be woman. I'm like, guy, what you ask him, what's up? Are you normal? Where is the phone I bought for you? It's so funny. Say, you forgot it inside Dikeh. Inside Dikeh. Like, you don't get phone. You carry your phone. Don't be say you get two. You carry your phone. Go give you man. I asked him, he said it wasn't intentional.
But wait, was it supposed to be intentional before?
No, but
the guy. Well, you know what? When a man is in love, he goes in there. I swear down.
Good job, no. I've never seen a woman that can make me cry. I'm not seen that woman.
Oh, really?
All these people will get put.
But wait, seriously, on a more serious note, listen, love is really a beautiful thing. You get? Seriously, if you find the right person, I trust you, you will enjoy.
Guy, leave that matter. What did this guy not do for Linda? Money, love, luxury, everything. What are you saying, man?
Guy, God will bless you.
Knock him well.
God will bless you.
My brother
I did everything for this girl. I showed her love. Why I know they did lucky with women?
What are you saying? Knock him well. That this rich man you see on the road today, when they bring money to sponsor one person. This same person will be, this girl now will be using this money to another small girl.
Exactly.
And then bring why I know
don't speak. Yes, now. No, think of it now. I showed this girl love, everything. Which you said, the time you say, guy, when will they go this girl house?
Still my brother.
When will they go say that this person? After much, what happened? I showed her love. I showed her care. Every love that they show, both inside and outside love.
I mean the other love, you show her well, but when you talk to
Okay, I'll call you in the next 1 minute. Come on, lad. Just go there first.
I would like to talk to the house.
Yeah, before you get there, I'll sort it out.
You say what? Our strike has been called off, so I'll be going back to school in a week time.
A week? Why not today or tomorrow? If it's about money, I can give you money to buy everything you need for going back to school.
Brother, our school resumes fully in a week time, and I don't want to go back to school and I'll start walking around the school compound like someone who does not have a place to stay.
Okay, it's alright, it's well. The truth is that I'm even happy this whole thing is happening at the same time, because my leave will be called off in 2 weeks' time. Just that I'm worried. If I leave now, back to work, what will become of this house? I mean, can you stay here with my gatesman? Or can my gatesman stay here with you? I don't know.
Well, I don't understand.
What I said is very simple. Has the strike affected your...
No, brother, but are you now saying that I'm a troublesome brother?
No, I never said that. I call my brother troublesome. You are such a loving and respectful brother. So I don't call you troublesome. It's okay, just go.
Thank you very much.
Papa, Mama, I discovered something very important.
Christopher Columbus, tell us your discovery.
What is it?
Papa, Mike left this town the same day my sister did. And I'm beginning to suspect it's a planned game between both of them. For them to run away to avoid our disturbance.
But my sister confirmed she reached her house that day.
Then tell her to mount surveillance on them.
I already told her that on the very first day she left.
Very good.
Okay, fine. That's good, Mama. See, you need to tell your sister if there is anything that we need to know, she shouldn't hesitate to inform us.
I trust my sister very well, and I know what she can do. Everything is under control, Junior. You don't have to bother yourself.
Okay, Mama. See, I know why I'm hammering on this. I know men with their tricks. That's why I'm hammering on this. Papa, I know what I'm saying.
I said
go. You should just listen to me. I know what I'm saying.
I know what you are saying. Go.
What to do? I have an idea.
Get allowed to just tell your sister to mount surveillance on them. I want proof, evidence. That's all.
I'm saying
I'm
I know what I will do.
Who is in this house? Bang, 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 get in, Anula! Karo, what happened? Why are you shouting? You and your son are the reasons for my shouting.
Why won't you and your son leave my precious daughter, my beautiful daughter, alone for me?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
How can you understand? How can you understand it when you and your son want to infect my precious daughter with poverty which you are trying to avoid by all means?
Karo, calm down.
Wait, you see this stick? I bought it for you to give it to your son, to warn him to stay away from my precious daughter.
Karo, take this stick back to your house. I will give my son the message. But what now?
Wait, let me tell you. Let it get into your brain, into your mind, that there is no way it will work out between your son and my daughter. Never and ever. And that never is in capital letter.
Hey,
Light and darkness have nothing in common.
Come back. Take it back. I will take it to your house. I told you to go. Take it home and give it to your daughter.
It is for your son.
Carol, come and collect this.
I am not collecting anything.
Come and collect this.
No, I am not collecting anything.
Then
It belongs to you and your son.
Carol, you're not going anywhere.
I am not staying here. You will not drag me into your poverty. Carol, you will not. Leave me. You will smell poverty. God forbid.
You see that poverty?
Wretched house.
No problem.
Everything about you, wretched.
You will sleep in that house.
I will not sleep.
You will sleep.
God forbid.
You will sleep.
Uto? You're welcome. Uto, what is it now? Uto? Uto, where are you going? Vivian! Vivian, where are you going? Eh? Hey, Vivian! Only no one. Only no one more. Hey! Vivian! Hey! Only no one. Vivian! Hey! Vivian! What's wrong? My father. Heart attack. Oga, come and carry me. Oga? Vivian, inside. What happened to you? Vivian is inside. Small Oga, on top of Vivian. Die on.
Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love.
From where you have to look now. This is a supermarket for crying out loud. It's about your life. Are you okay? Are you sure you're not hurt? What were you thinking now?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Wow! Man, you're good. Yeah,
Vivian.
Look at me from head to toe. Do I look like a Getman's material?
Vivian!
Don't you ever call my name. Don't even try it. Nonsense. Hold me.
What's your problem with this one? I see this one. Oh, so you all because to push me in my brother's compound? I will push you. You push me? You will not do anything.
It's alright.
Yes.
So now you want to fight my boyfriend?
Who is your boyfriend?
You want to fight my boyfriend?
How many days of boyfriend?
I have dumped you.
Owen! My brother will hear this. And I bet you this is the end of the road for you.
Just leave him.
I promise you that. Listen, I don't make Can
you stop this?
Okay. You will see. I will see. You will see this compound. You will see this. My brother's compound. Don't worry. I will. Okay. Boo. Let me see.
Leave him. You will kill me. You will kill me. Okay. Can you stop?
I'll deal with you. Okay. When I'm back, I'll deal with you. Baby, come on, put the gate.
Come and open this gate.
Oh, open this gate. I don't blame you.
Gate.
No.
Leave it for me. My boyfriend likes it.
Let's go. I'll do it when I come back. You can't do anything.
Leave me.
You can't do anything. What's it?
Where you live?
Yes, this is my house.
Okay. All right then. Take care of yourself, eh?
All right, you too, and thank you very much.
It's all right. You're welcome. And less thinking.
I'll keep that in mind.
All right. Bye.
It's me, Francis. Open the gate.
Open which gate?
Open the gate.
Which gate?
Owen.
Yeah?
I said she opened the gate.
Come on, close your mouth there.
I will break this gate, Owen.
Break now. You tell your brother what happened to the gate.
Owen. Okay, just open the gate.
Owen! What? Owen! You see it? You walk like this today.
Owen, who are you calling? So you did took my pants slippers.
Oh, you go everywhere. You are going today like this.
My brother will hear this.
Let him hear. Tell your brother what happened.
My brother will hear this.
Tell him what happened.
Open this gate.
Don't break this gate.
I will break the gate.
This is my brother's compound. Which brother?
Are you from
brother and mother?
You are fired.
Yes, let me be fired.
You are fired, Owen.
Are you the one that will fire me?
Mad dog.
You.
Owen, open this gate. Owen, let me on it. Open this gate. Let me on it so that. Owen, open this gate.
If you put your hand, it will shock you.
Oh.
What is that?
Okay.
You like a
Oh, you are there.
If you like
what do you mean?
Open my tongue. Nonsense. Did you brush your teeth?
I will deal with you, Owen.
Did you brush your teeth?
I will deal with you.
You can't do anything.
Come on, sir. Open this gate.
I will not open it.
Owen, open this gate.
I will not open it. I will not open it. You get locked. You get like I didn't get the second one.
Oh, open this gate! I will break this gate! If you break it, you tell your brother what happened to this gate. This is my brother's compound. Who are you? I'm free to do anything.
Get that for you.
Open it!
Come close now.
Bush rat! Yeah? Bush rat! Fat bush! Mad dog! Mad dog! Nketa! Woo! Woo! Owen!
Oh!
Okay. I don't blame you.
No, you.
I don't blame you.
You will stay
I
there.
blame my brother.
You will stay there.
I blame for empowering you. How to get man? Nonsense.
Nonsense. See the slippers.
Oh, give my slippers.
I will not give you. Nonsense.
Oh, give it to me.
Nonsense person.
Okay. Don't worry. I will come back. And I will deal with you. Okay. No problem. Okay.
I didn't get it.
Oh well. Okay.
My Vivian. Just like that. My Vivian. Just like that. My Vivian. Just like that. All my money. Okay. Come and enter now.
Hey! This guy is a big fool. A very big fool. I think I have to report to my brother. Let me call him. But even if I should call him, what will I tell him? This idiot, this Owen, will tell him what happened. Hey! I think I have to leave this place now. Before he's going to see me. I have to leave here. This Owen.
As for you, Owen! Omunage!
Hey!
I called my younger sister today and she said that Lillian barely leaves the house. According to her, she only does that whenever she sends her on an errand, which she returns earlier than expected.
Well, that means both of them leaving this town same day could be a coincidence. I just think so.
It's possible. But let us not conclude yet.
I pray that our affair does not come to pass.
Mama, another disadvantage is not allowing my sister step out of the house. Mama, it's dangerous. You know, the main plan was just for her to go in there. Maybe she could just meet rich men. Men with good calibers, prominent men. You know me, I want to go to school.
We did not purposely send her out to go and look for men in the city. It's not our purpose. The plan was to separate her from that nanny goat Mike that we are still talking about it today.
She can stay at home for now. There is no problem. Time shall come when she will go out to mingle with men of higher caliber. Ndi Diego, Ndi Maihanako.
There is no time. She needs to just come out and meet good men. Asaba is where all these celebrities, all these prominent men are. She could just go there and meet one of them and some rich men. I need to go to school. That's the main plan.
I like what will happen.
Is meeting men that will change our story. Zora anyị ụlọ, zora anyị moto. Ị chọrọ inwe private jet ga na-ebugharị.
If you want to change your story, go and kill your grandmother to change your story. Not sending my daughter to Afuna.
Now I think I will start from killing you. Was he here, Brian?
My brother, if not for God, I would have been in the police custody today.
How? What happened?
Now, I nearly hit someone down with my car today.
A man or a woman?
A woman, no. Just a young maiden like that.
Bro, are you sure you didn't hit your future wife?
You don't say your own. You don't know when someone is serious. You take everything as a joke.
Bro,
it's not nice.
This is not a joke. See, God has mysterious ways of doing things. You never can tell. This could be your future wife. By the way, did you get her number?
Yes, I collected her number. But I'm not thinking towards that direction.
Bro, if you had no intention, why did you get her number then?
Because I gave her the shock of her life, according to her. So I collected the number to at least call her to know how she's faring. That's all. Look, you think I'm joking when I said I'm done with women?
You're done with women?
How?
Yes. Why are you talking about this? Why? Bro, drink up, I beg. No, they talk that matter, I beg.
No, you think I'm joking?
What do you mean by you're done with women?
Okay, you think I'm joking. If you've seen half of what I went through in the hands of women, you understand what I'm talking about.
Is she pretty? Yeah. Is she pretty?
She's fine. She's a fine girl, but trust me, I'm not thinking of that direction.
Okay. I believe you. It's okay.
Hello? Have you seen it?
Oh.
Welcome.
Your place is beautiful.
Thank you. You're welcome. Let's have a seat.
Thank you.
So, what I offer you?
A pack of juice will be fine.
Okay. Right back. So, So tell me, what were you thinking of that day we met? I mean, you were lost in thought that you couldn't even see me coming.
Okay, that is one of the days I wouldn't want to remember in my life. It's one of the worst days. We should talk about something else, please. For a change of topic, I hope I'm not intruding, but do you live here alone? I mean, you're not married?
No, I'm not married. As a matter of fact, my kind of job takes me around, like in different parts of the state. So sometimes when I travel, I leave the house for my gateman. So basically, I stay here with my gateman. I'm not always around anyway.
Okay. Yeah. That's nice.
So cheers to new friendship.
Of course, to new friendship.
So, what do you do?
I am done with school. Ended my youth service program some months back. Right now I'm job hunting, the search markets.
Okay. Let's start by giving me your CV, so we'll pick it up from there.
You're not serious, are you?
Why not?
Oh, thank you very much. I'm super grateful.
That's okay.
Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love? Hey, I am asking why me? Why do I fall victim all the time? Why can't I find someone that loves me? I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Hey, I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Hey. Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love? Hey, I am asking why me? Why do I fall victim all the time? Why can't I find someone that loves me? I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Hey, I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman.
This is the second time I'm seeing her in my dream since the day I met her. Could she be the right one for me? No. Or maybe I should give it a try. Or why does she always make reference to her family. It seems the burden of her family rests on her shoulder. Or maybe she has so much love for them. Such a smart girl. As little as she is, she has started carrying her family along. She's nice. She's family oriented.
I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect. Every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Hey, I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect. Every woman is the same. No perfect woman.
My guy said, yeah, there's a problem.
Problem?
A very serious problem for me.
Is it so?
Ever since I met that girl Lillian, I don't sleep in peace anymore. Thus, I don't sleep without thinking about her.
Really?
Even while I'm awake, I still think of her. And I see that as a problem. Because I don't want to fall in love. One day, I didn't call love. Love no dey my agenda at all. It's not funny now. Why you pull out?
Guy, what are you saying? I don't understand. You're falling in love, but you don't want to fall in love. What do you mean?
I don't want. In fact, I bind love. I rebuke anything love. I scatter it. I rebuke it.
One, calm down.
You're not a pastor. Stop binding and rebuking. Yeah. You see, from the story you just told us now, the signs are there. Alex is falling in love.
That's the part I don't want.
So,
okay.
What is your reason exactly?
Are you asking me? Are you not aware? I don't want to fall in love.
Alex, I thought you've gone past all this. I mean, I thought you've put all this behind you.
Of course, I am not disputing the fact that I've gone past it, but I'm still insisting that falling in love is not for me anymore. Nah, guy, now why they talk like this?
Guy,
you know what I went through.
Calm down.
You know the wound. Even the wound is yet to heal. What they tell me of love thing again?
Chill. Despite all the accidents we've had, we never stopped driving. So why do you want to give up now? Like, why go be now, guy?
No, you're talking of a different thing altogether.
I am not.
Of course it is.
I remember we argued about this girl. You said I was joking. Now look at what's happening.
See, guys, listen. What we have to do as a brother when they complain now is to sit down together and pray. Pray out that love.
You and who?
Yeah, what are we?
Wait, no, hold on. Let me get something. What? 3 of us go pray for you.
Yes, sir.
Over a babe.
Yes.
All of us go date the babe.
I don't even believe say we they get this conversation of love and love.
Life, love balance. Some are looking for love. Some are running away from love. Can you imagine?
How many times have I fallen in love? Waiting common.
No.
Think of it now. You don't have to blame me.
Fine boy, do it, man. Yeah, give it a try. Give it a try. Believe me, it will work out.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, that. I'm a marine engineer. You see, actually, this is my off right now. My 1 month leave. So I actually want to take this time out to work on everything concerning the marriage. So when next I have my leave again, I will just come and finalize it.
Okay. Marine engineer, eh?
Yes, sir. Offshore.
Offshore?
Yes.
We've had you. We'll be waiting, eh?